Attention all Samsung Galaxy Watch FE users. A significant update is on its way, and it's a game-changer for your smartwatch experience. The long-awaited One UI 8 watch, based on Wear OS 6, is finally rolling out to the Galaxy Watch FE, bringing a host of exciting features and improvements. Samsung began this journey back in July, gradually updating its smartwatch lineup to One UI 8 watch. And now, the Galaxy Watch FE, launched in 2024 as an affordable alternative to the Galaxy Watch 4, is finally getting its turn in the spotlight. The One UI 8 watch update is a major upgrade, offering a fresh take on your smartwatch's interface and functionality. With firmware version R861XXU1CYK6, this update includes the October 2025 security patch, ensuring your watch is up to date with the latest security measures. However, it's worth noting that the patch is a bit outdated for the current month of December, which is a common challenge in the Wear OS ecosystem. But here's the exciting part: if all goes well with the initial rollout in Korea, you can expect this update to reach other countries in the coming days and weeks. So, if you're an international user, keep an eye out for the notification on your Galaxy wearable app. For those in Korea, the process is simple. Just open the Galaxy wearable app on your phone, navigate to Watch Settings, and then to Watch Software Update. From there, tap Download and Install, and you're good to go. This update is a testament to Samsung's commitment to enhancing its smartwatch offerings. With the Galaxy Watch FE now running One UI 8 watch, users can look forward to a more seamless and feature-rich experience. But here's where it gets controversial. Do you think the update process for Wear OS devices could be faster and more efficient? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your opinions on this ongoing debate.